Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you this great news. It's about the IELTS fair that is to take place in Port Harcourt on the 9th of December 2023. It is hosted by Campus Hub in partnership with the British Council, and it will be taking place at the University of Port Harcourt. To register, just drop a comment and then we'll RSVP you. We'll send you the registration link. Another way to do that is to send a message or call 0812 702 7995. I take it again, 0812 702 7995. Who should attend this event? Health professionals, tech professionals, early education, early education professionals, and anyone who wants to study abroad. Even more people, anyone who's going to be taking the IELTS, anybody who needs the IELTS, anyone confused about the IELTS, come and ask your questions on this day, and we'll be able to trash all those things for you. We have a tech partner coming on stage to talk about tech opportunities abroad and how you can get them by acquiring tech skills while you're here in Nigeria. We also have a Canadian based firm talking about study in Canada, and they'll be handling all your study in Canada and study in the US matters. We have a UK based firm that processes admissions for people who want to study in the UK. They will also be present to talk about how you can um, um, have all of this seamlessly. Lastly, there's a visa processing firm based in Port Harcourt here that will be handling all your visa matters. Remember that anyone who registers on this day for the IELTS test will gain a free flash drive loaded with study materials, t-shirts by British Council, wristbands, and face caps. And to crown it up, you will gain access into our 1 month free IELTS tutorial for you. You don't want to miss this event for anything. You don't want to skip this event for anything. On the 9th of December at the University of Port Harcourt, 10 a.m. Be there.